Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another video. My name's Eric. I have a special guest. Her name's Anna. She's also a YouTuber here in the Philippines, and we're gonna talk about the similarities between the two languages.
Hi, this is Anna from Ana La Viajera. I'm from Zamboanga, and you can drop by my channel. I talk about languages, Spanish and Chavacano and other languages as well.
Alright, so what we're gonna do today is I'm gonna be asking Anna some key phrases, some basic phrases, and I'm gonna be asking her how to say them in Chavacano, her native language.
Okay, sure.
And before we start, make sure you hit that bell so that you can subscribe to our channels as well and follow us in Instagram and Facebook. Alright, Anna, so let's start. So I'm gonna say them in English and just say them in Chavacano, right?
Sure.
And what I'm gonna do as well is I'm gonna put how it's spelled in Chavacano vis-a-vis Spanish on the screen right there so that you can compare how different they are to each other. Alright, so let's start. Welcome in Chavacano, welcome.
Bienvenido.
¿Cómo?
Bienvenido.
Next. Hello.
Hola.
In Chavacano?
Yes.
In
Hola.
Hola. Okay. How are you?
¿Qué tal tú?
How are you?
¿Qué tal tú?
¿Qué tal tú? In Chavacano.
Sí.
How do you say I'm good, thank you? In Chavacano.
Bueno man. Bueno lang yo.
Bueno lang yo.
Or bueno man.
Bueno man. Long time no see.
Oh, ya duray contigo no hay mira.
How? Long time no see. How do you say it?
Ya duray contigo no hay mira.
How do you say in Chavacano, what's your name?
Cosa di tu nombre?
How?
Cosa di tu nombre?
Next, how do you say my name is Anna?
Iyo si Ana.
Iyo si Anna.
Si.
I'm from Zamboanga.
Iyo de Zamboanga.
Iyo de Zamboanga.
Si.
Pleased to meet you.
Pleased to meet you. Oh, we don't.
You don't say that?
Oh, we don't say that. We don't normally greet like that.
Okay, fine.
Wala, we don't really express that way.
Okay, that's good. That's good to know. Good to know. Very easy. Good morning.
Buenos días.
Good afternoon.
Buenas tardes.
Good evening.
Buenas noches.
Goodbye.
Adios.
Adios. Okay, lo mismo. It's the very same, right?
Yes.
Okay, next. Good luck.
Que tiene tu suerte.
Okay, que tiene tu suerte. And what do you say when you're drinking? Like cheers.
Tomata.
Tomata.
Yeah.
Tomata.
O toma kita.
Toma kita. Okay. Have a nice day.
Ojalá que buenamente di tu día.
Again?
Ojalá que buenamente di tu día.
Other questions, a few more.
Okay.
Have a nice meal.
Te come tu en buenamente.
Te come.
Come tu en buenamente.
Have a good journey or bon voyage.
Ojalá que buenamente di tu viaje.
Next, I don't know.
No sabe yo.
No sabe yo.
No sabe yo.
Do you understand?
¿Ta entiende tú?
How?
¿Ta entiende tú?
I understand.
¿Ta entiende yo?
Ta entiende
Yo.
yo. Okay. Next, please speak more slowly.
¿Puede tú hablar un poco slowly? ¿Puede tú hablar un poco... one moment, sorry, I forgot my Chavacano. Slowly is... but can I ask my sister?
Is it despacio?
It's not this, I'm already mixing. Can I ask my sister?
Yeah, sure. Alright, let's continue. Please speak more slowly.
Pabor habla hinay-hinay lang.
Again?
Puede tú habla hinay-hinay lang.
Hinay-hinay lang. Okay. Please say that again.
Puede tú repetir cosa tuya habla.
Please say that again.
Puede tú repetir cosa tuya habla.
Do you speak Spanish?
¿Ta habla tú español?
Again?
¿Ta habla tú español?
Excuse me.
Excuse me. Excuse me también.
No, dice, you don't say permiso, nothing like that?
Sometimes, yes. Some people, they will say permiso or perdón.
Pero no, it's not common.
No.
Okay. How much is this?
¿Cuánto ese? ¿Cuánto ese?
Sorry. How do you say sorry?
Sorry. Sorry también.
Sorry.
I think it's sorry as well.
You don't say perdón, you don't say disculpe. It's more sorry, no?
Yeah, sorry as well. We also use English.
Okay. How do you say thank you?
Gracias.
The very same.
Yeah, very same. Gracias or muchas gracias.
Okay. Alright, so how do you say where's the bathroom?
Onde el baño.
Honde?
Onde el baño.
I miss you.
Actually, miss también. We also use miss. So, yan miss yayo contigo.
Okay. Yan miss kayo.
Yan miss yayo contigo.
I love you.
Quiere yo contigo.
Alright, so how do you say get well soon?
Ojalá que dé tu bueno.
Again?
Ojalá que haya tu buen.
Leave me alone.
Deja conmigo solo.
Again?
Deja conmigo solo.
Leave me alone. Okay, good. Help.
Ayuda.
Again?
Ayuda.
For help. Fire.
Fuego.
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 For fire.
Yes.
Next. Stop.
Para.
For stop.
Yeah.
Call the police.
Llama con el policía.
Again?
Llama con el police o policía.
Call the police. Okay, good. Lastly, how do you say happy birthday?
Feliz cumpleaños.
Again?
Feliz cumpleaños.
And since we're in Christmas, how do you say Merry Christmas?
Feliz Navidad.
Again?
Feliz Navidad.
Okay, good.
Pero año nuevo.
And lo mismo. It's very same in Español, no?
Yes. The greeting is in Spanish.
Alright, so that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, make sure you put them down below so that we can try and answer for you. And for you, Anna, let me ask you, how close do you think Chavacano is? How similar is Spanish to Chavacano, based on your opinion?
Well, in my opinion, Chavacano has 70% Spanish words, so that's how close it is. So 70% of the words are in Spanish in Chavacano, and the 30% are in Tagalog and other Philippine dialect. But of course, our grammar and the sentence structure is patterned after Tagalog. That's the only difference between Chavacano and Spanish, the grammar.
And was it easy for you to learn Spanish, knowing that your native language was Chavacano?
Modesty aside, well, for me, based on my experience, it's easy for us Zamboangueños to learn or study Spanish because we already have the vocabulary. So we just have to focus more on the grammar. Once we learn the sentence structure and how to compose Spanish sentence, I think from there we can already speak Spanish.
Alright, so that's pretty much it. We're done for today. Make sure before you leave, subscribe to my channel and her channel as well, so that you can see more videos about the Philippines in Spanish, in English, and Tagalog, just like this one. And we're also in Instagram and Facebook, and we post our stories there on a day-to-day basis, so make sure you follow us there.
Hi everyone, this is Anna from Ana La Viajera. Hope you can also drop by my channel, Ana La Viajera. If you're interested to learn about Spanish and the difference between Spanish, Chavacano, and other languages, and also about travel videos, you can drop by my channel. Thank you.
That's it for today. See you in one more video. See you in the next video. Thank you, gracias, y salamat. Bye.
The mio nombre is... one moment. I'm already mixing Spanish.
Today we're gonna talk about Tagalog versus Chavacano. I'm with a special guest. Her name's Anna, and she also has a channel here in the Philippines. Yeah. Tagalog versus Chavacano.
One moment. Sorry, I forgot my Chavacano. Slowly is... Can I ask my sister?
Is it despacio?
It's not this. I'm already mixing. Can I ask my sister?
Yeah, sure.